Namaste my dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to do short yoga, short pranayama and short meditation, and you can relax very fastly. Come on my dear friends, let's not waste the time and let us start this video. Just you have to do this much. You have to close your thumbs like this, close your fingers, all the fingers like this, and hold your hands like this. Now you have to just raise your hands and you have to put your hands down like this. Whenever you raise your hands, you have to inhale deeply. Whenever you put your hands down, you have to exhale deeply. So now let us do this in faster mode also. Still more faster also you can do this. After doing this, just sit for meditation for 2 to 3 minutes. Wherever you are sitting, sit in the same posture for meditation. And just try to observe your breath. Try to inhale deeply and exhale deeply. And after this meditation for 3 to 5 minutes, just create the wonderful thoughts and affirmations, like by saying, just follow my thoughts, how I am going to say you now. Let all the creatures of this creation be happy. Let all the creatures of this creation enjoy peace. Let all the creatures of this creation enjoy this harmony. Such type of thoughts you can create, and affirmations also for yourself, like I am completely confident, I can do anything and everything. Such type of thoughts also you can create as affirmations. Now after doing this, just rub your hands, place it on your eyes, and you can open your eyes. Yes my dear friends, this is a very faster mode of yoga and pranayama. Both are included in the same posture. By doing this, you are doing yoga also and pranayama also. And after that, you can do for 3 to 5 minutes of meditation exactly after doing this. So this around, if you have time, you can do this exercise and pranayama for 30 times, 50 times, or up to 500 times you can do. And meditation also you can do it just for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, or if you have time you can also do it for 20 to 30 minutes also, as per your time availability. And one more thing, caution, that is, if you have or if you are suffering from any sort of BP patient, if you are a BP patient or if you are heart patient, then please don't do this in the faster mode. Do it in the very slower mode. But if you are an youngster, if you want to do this and if you want to relax your mind within a short span of 2 to 3 minutes also, you can do this in faster mode, and you can also meditate for 2 or 1 minute also. So whenever you feel anxiety in your mind, and for the relaxation of your mind, for the faster relaxation of your mind, you can do this very fastly. Dhanyawadaha.